Hey bestsellers, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your eBay account to Payoneer in 2025 step by step. If you want to receive your eBay earnings through Payoneer, this guide is for you. Before we begin, make sure you have an active eBay seller account, a verified Payoneer account, your bank and ID information updated on both platforms. If you don't have a Payoneer account yet, you can sign up at payoneer.com. It's free and only takes a few minutes. Now go to ebay.com and sign into your account. Hover over my eBay and click selling to open the seller hub. Once you are in seller hub, go to payments, then click add cards and accounts or click the plus icon, then click checkout. Here you will see an option to add cards and account, then checkout or auctions and offers. eBay now uses Payoneer for global payouts, especially for international sellers. If you haven't linked yet, eBay will prompt you to eBay will prompt you to do so. Click on Payoneer from here. This will redirect you to the Payoneer login page. Then log into it on the Payoneer skin. Log in with your email and password. You will be asked to authorize eBay to access your Payoneer account. Then click sign in. Click authorize and grant access to continue. This securely connects both platforms. If this is your first time linking Payoneer to a marketplace, you might be asked to confirm your business or personal details, submit identification, or provide a bank account for withdrawals. Make sure the information matches what you entered on eBay. Once Payoneer confirms the connection, you will be redirected to back to eBay. You should now see Payoneer listed as your payout method. That means you are ready to receive payments directly into your Payoneer account. Now go back to Payments tab and double check Payoneer is selected. Payout frequently is set daily, weekly, and monthly. You can change this anytime based on your cash flow needs. Once you start selling, eBay will send you earnings to Payoneer. You can track them under eBay's Payment Summary tab. Add and in your Payoneer transaction lists. You will also get email alerts for every deposit. By the way, eBay only uses Payoneer for certain countries like most non-US international sellers. If you are in the US or another region where eBay uses direct bank transfers, you won't see Payoneer as an option. For fix that, go to ebay.com, click my eBay, then account settings, from the left side bar, click account settings, then find the country tab, then confirm your region. If you are an international seller and it still doesn't show, move to step 2. Your eBay account isn't fully set up for managed payments. eBay needs your seller account to be migrated to managed payments before you can link Payoneer. Go to selling, seller dashboard, then from my eBay section, under selling tab, click payments, then payout settings. If you see set up to get paid, click on it, follow the steps and choose Payoneer when prompted. Your eBay account is new. If your account is brand new, Payoneer linking may not show until you complete initial setup or list your first item. List at least one product, um, then return to payments, payout settings, and click check again. You are already using a bank. If you have already set up a bank account for payouts, eBay won't show Payoneer again unless you remove the current payment method. Use the direct Payoneer link for eBay sellers. Just search for register.payoneer.com/eBay and sign in from here. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.